Haka yeng dorbar mang tengka jong kasngi ka balai, ka yeng dorbar tau ain ka jela, haka arpau ar tarik uleber ar hajar arpau lai, UMLE na ka Mawhati constituency, uba Charles Marngar, ulara e kamat, habai dei baka Jingdawa ban aino laga jong ka C&Rd block ha Mawhati, ka ba kani kamat, ka dei ka ba gisenjuk rang ba snong kila judawa na kapor syakapor. Haba jubab halor katei kamat menteri badai pet ya katanat C&Rd blong haka jela u80 mandal ulaong bana kaliang katanan kandang pet benia halor kani. Uba Charles ulaong ru ba Jingdawa ka Mawhati C&Rd blong kade namar ki paiba nong snong haka constituency kamtam ki basa shi benta kaput ki juya kendu jing e ban poi shaka office C&Rd blong ka badon ha sning namar ka jingjangai palan ka balakot shaka prapo kilometer AA.
Reply to start question number 13. Sir, the state government has created 9 C&Rd block recently. The government has every intention of bringing governance and administration closer to the people.
Mr. Charles Marngar, your supplementary question.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very happy to see that the state government has created 9 new C&Rd blocks recently. And also the government has every intention of bringing governance and administration closer to the people. My supplementary question is, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the creation of Mawhati C&Rd block demanded long time back by the Sinjuk of the Rangbachnong and submitted the memorandum to the then minister in the year 2021. Is in the list or not?
As of now, no, sir. It is not in the list.
The next supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister what are the guidelines for creation of new C&Rd blocks?
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is no fixed guidelines. Government's intention is to bring administration to be closer to the people, and for the early and easier implementation of different schemes and programs. So as and where it is required, after studying the feasibility report, government takes up these cases and open new blocks.
Mr. Speaker, sir, because of the problem facing by our people, my constituency, because of the long distance, especially the village border area, where the distance is not less than 80 kilometers to Umsning C&Rd block. I, on behalf of the people of Mawhati constituency, I request the Honorable Minister in charge C&Rd for creation of new C&Rd block in my constituency. Thank you.
Sir, the point is noted.
Okay. Baden, please.
Sir, since the intention of the government is to bring governance and administration closer to the people, may I know the mind of the government, the mind of the minister, whether there is any intention to create Nongkran block also, for that matter, sir. C&Rd.
Sir, as I told, as of now, there is no proposal.
Is there any intention, sir, since I brought to the notice of the minister, to consider this also as one of the priority in your department?
Sir, I told that as and where it is required, government intention is there to open blocks, sir. So after examining only we can say, sir.